Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today I've got an unboxing video. I believe it is the item I have been waiting for that I ordered. Happy Silver Raid Day for all you stackers, whether you believe in it or not, whatever. I'm not going to a shop today to purchase any silver for any special reason. This is just something I ordered on May 5th. So anyways, I ordered this item, just came in FedEx, and I had to sign for it, which was kind of nice. So I'll open this live. Let's see what's inside. Alright, that didn't work so well. Let's get the knife out. I'm going to cut too aggressively and... Oh, okay, it's just the box inside. See that? Although we can... Sometimes you don't want to just go crazy with a knife because you don't want to be cutting into your silver. Alright, there's nothing inside here, so let me get rid of this. And interesting tape job. Hopefully everyone's having a good day today. It is Monday. Here in Illinois, it is pretty nice for a change. We actually have some sun. It's been pretty miserable spring so far. Okay, let's see. Tilt this down a little bit. Let's take a peek here. So what did I get? Ready? More packing, more stuff. It does come in a box. That's cool. I wasn't expecting that. Alright. Well, here it is. Ooh, that is heavy. 10-pack of silver bullet bullion. Each bullet is 2 troy ounces of 0.99 fine silver. And it's a 10-pack. All right, very cool. So in the past, let me get rid of the box. I've only ordered these like one at a time or looked for deals on eBay or at a coin shop, and I've been pretty successful reselling them. A couple times last year when silver was really tight, I think I sold a bullet for, I want to say 120 bucks. So to finally get my hand on a 10-pack, it's pretty nice. So here's what they look like. So this was ordered May 5th, and I did an e-check to get the better pricing, and just showed up today. So May 5th, and today is the, what is it, the 15th today? I don't even know what date it is, the 16th. So anyways, 11 days from start to finish is not bad. It is nice that the seller sent the product via FedEx today, and the shipping was free. I ordered it from Silver Gold Bull. I noticed them appearing on eBay last year, and I used I was just checking all the different vendors that I've had experience with, checking all their sites, see who had actually bullets in stock, and Silver Gold Bull, as of May 5th, did have them on pre-order only. And here they are. So you can see, take this other glove off so I can zoom in. They put the stamp here on the bottom. 2 ounces, 0.99. It's a very cool looking item. It's unique. It's a conversation piece. It is milled after a NATO round or a .308 caliber. Obviously, it's not a real bullet, but it's definitely molded after one. And I don't think I'm going to sell it as a 10-pack. I'd rather sell them one at a time. I think right now on eBay they're going for around 77, 80 bucks with free shipping. I picked these up for, let's see, at the time spot was $22.47 when I purchased it, and I paid $594.80, no tax, including the free shipping. And like I said, the shipping was 2 days. So That makes each bullet about $49.50. I'm sorry, $59.50, and to resell them for about $80. It's a pretty good turn. These are kind of hard to find in stock for whatever reason. I think these are made. I thought they were made by SilverTowne, but no, it's just silver bullet bullion. So it doesn't really say who makes it, but these look very familiar to what I've ordered before. So anyways, it's a unique way of purchasing some silver. Fun conversation piece. They are easy to resell. For some reason, they're very hard to find. Most people that have these don't really sell them or know what they are. So I had such a good success. I think I've resold 5 of them in the past couple years, and I've never lost money on them. So anyways, what do you guys think? And today's spot is $21.63. So, whatever. It's 80 cents more or less than when I bought these, but these are now out of stock. So anyways, that's my experience purchasing from Silver Gold Bull. What do you guys think? Is this something you would buy? Something you're interested in? I don't know. I think they're cool. There's just a statement. It's 2 ounces of silver. It's a bullet. They do a nice job. And that's that. So anyways, you guys have a good rest of your day. Appreciate you watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Have a good rest of your day.